It's a 2018 Kia Forte 5. With more room comes more possibilities, more spontaneity, and more fun. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, rear lip spoiler, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.